Hello everyone and welcome to Kraka episode 3. I'm making this one because I actually got, I guess like a fan request, which was kind of fun. I didn't think anyone was actually going to watch, but I hope they would. But the lovely guy on YouTube that sent me a comment asked on my first episode that I was going to show people how to clean their gun, or what would you do if you found a gun, and how to throw a batarang. But he also asked what to do how to do it in a zombie apocalypse. Odd request, but what the hell? In the off chance that we actually do have a zombie apocalypse, if you want to know how to throw a batarang, it depends on your batarang. This particular one is hefty and sharp. The best way to throw it? Hard, really hard. If you want it to stick. Other than that, batarangs are just like any other kind of throwing blade. You just gotta point towards your target, flick the wrist, flies. Moving on to the weapons. If by some chance there is a zombie apocalypse, I hope I'm not showing a kid how to actually load a weapon to shoot his parents, but obviously I'm not using a real gun, but if you find a gun in the zombie apocalypse, make sure you take the loaded clip out first. You don't want to blow your hand off. Make sure the safety is on, so you can't pull the trigger, and always check the inside of the barrel. Make sure there's nothing blocking, no wedged bullet, no anything, and then close it, put your full ammo clip in, take your safety off, point at whatever you want to do, and bam, the undead is now dead again, as long as you get the headshot anyway. My advice, if there really is a zombie apocalypse, try to find a gun with a silencer. Put the silencer on, no mess, they won't hear, the rest of them, other zombies won't hear you, and you can take care of business. Also in the zombie apocalypse, find a knife. You're going to need a knife. If you run out of bullets, the next best thing is a bladed weapon. Although this thing really probably wouldn't go through the top of the skull, so you'd have to go underneath, which is a bitch because then the damn thing is going to be pretty close to you. The knife I have now actually has throwing spikes, which is useless against a zombie because what the hell is that going to do? You'd have to be really good to throw it through their brain with this, but that's kind of impossible. So if you do have a knife with throwing spikes, use the throwing spikes as distractions. They go by noise, so throw this somewhere, come around the other side, and bam, or just run. Best advice. You get into a problem with zombies, run. Stay away. I hope this was a rather helpful episode for how to survive a zombie apocalypse and how to load your weapon, stuff like that. Until next time, bye-bye.